Hello there guys, welcome back. This is episode 11. I did have to delete before episode 11 and because of audio issues, but we are in some more milestone that we don't understand. I've been answering here for a while. Keep using the names and sword, if I'm breaking through so you can pull them a lot faster. We did enchant one piece of our life there, but the audio didn't get recorded because my treatment is a simple little restart. So I realized that episode 11 is going to be episode fully of everything episode beginning needed that. Because I use a lot between each 25 minutes, which we should be maybe that. But when I go into this platform, I do like to actually record me killing stuff and everything like that, just to prove that I actually was sitting there, which is pretty hot. I should be using number 3, which is why I'm waiting. I do have some updates actually. Since I explained this on the video about but I have a job, a primary job, and 15 on a primary job here in Washington. You would get a job at 15, but I have a job that's working in construction. Oh my goodness. I do usually keep some of it just to show them more educated on the audio. So here, this actually works a lot better than this programming thing. I'm very mindful for that. But we are going to change public eating because that does take a lot of time. I will be using just a minute, so it's other people can do that. We made a chest plate enchanted with that but what I was going on about is that the primary job, which this month actually I did get a bonus. My bonus was $80 to $150, which is actually exactly enough for the keyboard I believe. I can't remember the exact one, but I don't need to go in detail for this, but sorry for all the obvious. I've been working secondary job as well. I've been paid at the table. And it's true, after this week, I believe, I'll have $90. I use like $90 to buy myself a snowball. $58 actually, which is off of Amazon at a reduced price. And the bottom side. No. But I can get it cheaper. Wow, and that was broken. I'm sure that probably won't be able to pay that for all the stuff that I'm here. So, I'll talk a little bit about this how I'm going to do this. And the chance of it on accident to 10 shown I will be on a slow mic, so it will be better for my audio and everything on that sort of area of expertise. Since I have recorded like and everything, and it needs to be right from my interface. And then I will go down to this rack for about $8. It's a lamp rack, you can lamp on the right from there, or like both down right cover on there. Well, it's exactly that, but I'm gonna put a ceiling ball microphone in there. In the way. Because I just recorded a video talking about actually better thing, but I did not. That's what sorry. Talk about everything about I do remember the first time when I was a bad shower that I needed to I will be buying that pretty soon. And my voice should be better. It still picks up audio, background noise, essentially. Calling them connection. But I can put this all away to take that I can actually go back and hopefully he will be back with a nice show.
Hello there guys and welcome back. We are about to do our fourth vid on enchanting, and today's skeleton farm was made by Physic and Nerd and I came up with the design as I was building and building and building away, as Ben was there to help me as an apprentice and to learn a few things about it. So I believe hopefully this should be enough. Okay, it's not enough. And we're gonna have to get some more chests. But this seems to be fine. And then place those there. And at the moment we can actually make one more chest. Sorry, I was not expecting it to go that well. But we will be back as soon as we are able, or when a few more of them spawn. Okay, we are back with part 3, enchantment 3. I believe there should be enough skeletons in here now. Most indefinitely. I've been watching a few Minecraft server, like the panels at the Minecon so long time ago, but I got my idea of getting a sorry. I was thinking about buying a new recording mic for the longest time, but I haven't had money. Now that I'm able to, you know, get some money off of working and everything, I have been planning on, or I got the idea of a snow, or to say the truth, I can't even remember the name. But, you know, one of the mics I was talking about earlier, from Generic B, it was one of his first mics. I thought I might as well start off, since he did also say that it is a very great starting out mic. And, you know, I watched some of his videos back then and everything, and it's actually a really nice mic, and it's affordable, so I thought I might as well actually get it. So I will be doing that, but as we're talking about that pretty much, I will get that enchantment, but I need to get 2 chests. Sorry about the delay. And, or actually 1 chest, and that'll be fine. I know I usually keep some wood in my ender chest, but I'd like to keep that in there. And then as we're out here, we can actually place these lily pads down that I have. And we can go back down, eat as we're going down, and enchant our boots. I think we will be enchanting another bit of, or another chest plate, though. But that is all we have for right now, and I'll be back with the next enchantment. Okay guys, we're back with enchantment part number 4. That is a lot. And I did realize that I did bring the wood to make another chest, but I never did. Oh, I didn't. Oh. In most of these clips I will not be talking as much as I would be before, but you will be probably hearing my clicking. We are getting a lot of arrows though. Wonder why he was so late to the party. But we will be enchanting a helmet. Protection 3, Respiration 3. I think that's pretty good. I will wait here a little bit longer though. Actually, how much will it cost to repair this? 11? Okay. 11. Is there any way to take off an enchantment? Oh. Interesting. But we'll put these in here. And we will wait. back. Okay guys, welcome back to this bit enchantment. Snowball is the microphone I'm going to get. I could not remember the title of it last episode, but Snowball, or last bit, or should I say last enchantment. Excuse me. We will enchant a helmet. Where did we enchant the helmet? Yeah, we enchanted a helmet. We were going to repair this chest plate, and then try to enchant a different helmet, or chest plate. Let's put that stuff in there real fast. And we will put this stuff in there. Gonna need a second chest for that too. And then we will kill the rest of these guys. Hopefully get some chainmail stuff. I am really interested in trying to get a full set of chainmail armor. There we go. I wonder how much it is to repair some chainmail leggings. 3. Alright. So there. And then I will be back in the next bit, which will be our last enchanting bit, which will be for another chest plate. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, welcome back to our last recording bit. I do believe that just these recordings of the enchanting will be all I will record for episode 11. It will be kind of a special, which I do believe that every 11th episode I will be 11 to 21, like every 10 episodes starting from episode 10 or 11, I will turn them into enchanting days. So we sit there and spend time enchanting some stuff. We're running out of space. Ironic. What was that I'm bringing to? It's not the best skeleton, it's not the best. We didn't get any chain stuff, which depresses me. Everything's full on that. Then we will enchant this chest plate, and this time we will go in twice. Unbreaking 3, that's even better. How much is it to put these two together? Go up the way from 23 to 25. So fire protection in first. Okay, so we'll be back with this last little bit, and we'll call it an episode. Okay guys, we are back with the last bit. This is about to be right before I go actually to bed in real life. It's about 4:55 a.m. Pacific time, or Pacific Standard Time. Living in Washington, or Vancouver, Washington, and everything like that. But you make a second chest. I can tell already. Load up that. And then we will be finishing off this episode by combining two chest plates. Then I'll probably sit here for a little bit longer, actually, and get to level 30 once I... Or we had 24 at 25. That depresses me. On the rest of what we can. Then we'll create one more. Use the rest. Which is the one thing I didn't want to do. But we'll do it. And we will start to fill this up. You know, maybe we will take out all the arrows. Those are my torches. That's my water. Then we will start to keep these organized as well as we can. Anyways. Oh, and I need one. Oh, there, now I'm good. And we will combine these two chest plates for 23. And then we will start to wear this armor. Actually, fire protection for projectile protection is better. So what is that? 3. Am I saying it? What is this? Yeah, gives off better damage resistance. How much does this do? Because if it's anything better, we'll enchant it. Actually, maybe we will go with the one more enchantment anyways, so we can say that we always have both of these enchanted. So we will be right back. Okay guys, welcome back to our last little bit of our enchanting. Oh my god. There is so much entities. F3. See how many are there? Only 300? Okay. Let's just start killing a whole bunch of these real quick. Unless we get some chain boots or something, this will be our last bit. So we will keep going, and I am attempting to fix a phone. I'm going on the side little business to make a little bit of profit. I'm gonna be taking some old phones I find that are broken and everything, and buying some or modifying some, or and then I'm going to resell them for a little bit extra for what they're actually fully worth, and maybe make a little bit of extra pocket money so I can start onto YouTube and get a successful career launch. Because I know 30 subs, channels like mine, the smaller channels, usually launch, but I know soon YouTube will be implementing a 60 frames per second video uploads or speed in the future, which will be great. Even know. On this computer at the moment, I get at most 50. I don't usually tell anyone that, but at the most I've ever gotten was around 50. I don't even think I've gotten to 50. I know I've gotten to 42. I know I usually get 22 to 30 when I record them, and I think that's perfectly fine. There is a lot of skeletons. I think I overestimated how long I was supposed to sit. So let's put this stuff in here. We are getting better FPS at the moment. So I grabbed some more than that. See if we can get some chainmail boots. Almost level 40. Wow. A lot of mobs. Maybe I should chant this real quick. I would be going for most armor points, but at the moment I would like to, kind of show off my, collection. I've been pretty much slaving myself here for the past 3 hours, I believe. This time works a lot better than I thought it would, not gonna lie. I just made it go as I went. Half the time I didn't realize what I was going to do next. That's why it was kind of awkward when Ben was going to be sitting right next to me when I was planning on placing stuff. Good, then we'll have that extra like 30 levels, I believe, like I was hoping. I know you used to be able to craft chainmail stuff with fire, but that was cheated in items. I need to get a Silk Touch gem on my book, or on a book, so I can get it onto my shears. I don't know when that would happen though. Down to like not as much. See if we can get some chainmail boots. Because no matter what, chainmail helmet and leggings. Or control Q. Sorry. Well, I need that iron. Might be a bit. No, maybe not. Oh, that's pretty sick. Oh, dope. Let's get that out of here and that out of here. Whoa. How much is this to repair? Iron. 31 levels. That is like worth it 100%. I'm glad I stuck to staying here. But let's start to put this stuff away. Like the bones. Another chest. My god. This has been a good day. I think that this deserves its own episode, really. Like this kind of event. For every, pretty much 11th episode, which wouldn't make sense, so every 10 episodes from the 11th. So it would be like, 11, which is this episode, and then 21, and then the 31. So the first episode of each 10th. I ain't scared of you anymore. I really am, or are. What? You after me too? But let's go back down here. Did I even grab any wood? I want it. Oh my god, typical me. And I have one sapling in mind. I did want to get some boots, but I'll take the helmet. Kind of look like a ghillie. Sapling. Ben gets on my case 100% if I completely forget to replant. Well, I would too, because I usually am the one in charge of these places, but gosh, Ben, I leave saplings for ya. But after we make this next chest, I do not believe, or I believe we will be done with this episode. And guys, this is what happens when you decide to actually stay and help, or take it. Oh my gosh, this is almost gonna die. We need to go for one more enchantment. These episodes aren't timed, by the way, so we will have a random time for these episodes. So I guess that'll be like the good thing of each 10 episodes or something. I have no idea how I would track that, but so let's see how much it would be to fix the sword. I know it's too expensive if you do it right or wrong. Too expensive. So we're gonna lose a really good sword. That's terrible. How about we make a diamond sword, like we would to enchant it, and see if we could repair it as well. I don't know why. Oh yeah, because I was gonna see. What about if I wanted to put these enchantments onto that sword? Too expensive. So we'll just stick around and we have one more enchant. That's pretty good, actually. So let's keep this. I can tell you we have plenty of arrows, but we'll be back for one more enchantment before we go. Okay guys, so I am back with the last enchantment that we are prepared to do. Hopefully we will get sharpness, or at least looting 3 on our next one. I wonder how much it is to protect or repair these books. 11 levels, might as well. And then I will be back when more spawn in. I am sure we can get to level 30. Actually, let's put this stuff away, why don't we? Some arrows. Those arrows. Huh, how you doing? And, put that in there. And we will put this stuff in there as well. I don't know why that's in there. And that shouldn't be in that chest either. It should be in there. And I think we're good until I come back with more skeletons spawned, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I believe and hope that I can get up to level 30 with this because I am really tired and want to go to bed, and I do want to finish off this episode on a good note. Oh, why don't I just go to bed and let it go all night? What is 6:53 in the morning where I am? I'm really tired. Change as chain helmet. To tell you the truth, I'm just gonna keep all the chain stuff that I collect. No. And we will be able to do our last enchantment tonight, of this episode. So we will enchant the sword. 1, 2, 3. It's pretty nice. Actually, I'll keep that 100%. But if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, rating the show, and help me as a YouTuber grow from a smaller channel to a bigger channel. And hopefully, if you do like my channel, share it to your friends, see if they are interested into the channel. And yeah, if you want a server just like this one, MC Pro hosting is probably the best one you can get for its pricing. There will be a link in the description to get one, and you might even get a discount off of me. Just fine. But yeah, so this has been episode 11 of ChubbyCraft, and I also did forget to mention, if you want an Elgato, which is what I can sometimes use to record my Xbox 360 game, or which is what I use to record my Xbox 360 gameplay, but sometimes my PC gameplay, there'll be the link to that in the description as well. Check out the other ChubbyCrafters, and yeah, this has been ChubbyKidHD signing off. Bye.